Flowlens is affordable, easy-to-use cloud software that joins up your manufacturing business, from sales to production to finance and customer service. If you make devices, equipment, or machinery, Flowlens is designed for you. With multi-level bills of materials, suppliers and purchasing, and powerful production workflows that let you stay on top of the manufacturing process, quality, and shop floor tasks. Let's dive in. Do you have everything you need to start a new production job? Flowlens stores your bill of materials, so when you create a new order, you can see what sub-assemblies, components and materials you have, and what you need to buy. So you don't waste time starting jobs you can't finish, and you get a real-time list of shortages that you need to buy from each supplier. When you have everything available, you can issue your job to the team, broken down step by step, so each work center knows what to do next via the shop floor app. Progress is tracked, so you know how much cost went into the build. Quality control, batch and serial tracking are all handled along with subcontracting. And you get a full record of everything you've ever quoted or sold for each customer, and a lot more, including integration with your account software. With Flowlens, you and your team can save hours every day and avoid the risk of spreadsheets and errors, reducing costs and helping you meet deadlines. Not only that, because Flowlens handles your sales, production, purchasing, stock, service and invoices, it makes ISO and customer audits a breeze, demonstrating control, consistent data capture and effortless record keeping. We specialize in working with small manufacturers, and our expert team is here to help you get started with data importers, onboarding support, and training to give you and your team the confidence you need. We've helped hundreds of companies like yours achieve better results and visibility. Book a demo or start a free trial to see more of our user-friendly but powerful manufacturing software